I'm implementing AI in a lot of my different companies. So for example, we're using AI to write copy for one of my direct response marketing businesses. A lot of the businesses that I own, I normally would have to do a lot of time recording like video sales letters, VSLs, but an AI bot has kind of mimicked my voice and can do those things for me. So I'm all for leveraging AI in terms of businesses, but would I go out and acquire an AI business? No, I wouldn't. And most AI businesses that are out there, they're free to use. ChatGPT, or I think it's $10 a month or whatever it is. It's pretty hard to make money in something like that. So in terms of technology outside of AI, I'm still a massive fan of the technology industry, whether it's software as a service, SaaS, whether it's IT services, managed service providers, all those different things. So that remains probably one of my top 5 or 6 buy boxes where I'm looking to do deals, again, sticking in that $1 to $10 million revenue range. But no, I wouldn't go out and buy an AI business, but I'm absolutely loving how we're leveraging AI technology and AI tools into growing and improving the businesses that I own.